Hi everyone, today we are going to be working through a part whole, part unknown word problem. Our problem says 300 students went to the park. 182 students played on the swings and the rest of them played soccer. How many students played soccer? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create 300 with our blocks. 100, 200, 300. If I were to write this as an equation, I would write 300 minus 182, like I did here. So first we're going to start in the ones place. I see that I don't have enough ones to subtract 2, so now I'm going to move to my tens place. I also see that I don't have enough tens to subtract 8, so now I need to look at my hundred spot. And I see that I do have enough hundreds to subtract 1. So first we need to break down this 300 into 200s because we need to be able to subtract for tens and ones. So with that, I'm going to take away one of my hundreds. So let me move this down here. I'm going to cross this out because we don't need it anymore. Next, we need to go back to our tens column. And we don't have any tens to subtract 8, so we need to create tens. So I'm going to do that by taking one of my hundreds and breaking it down into 10 tens. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 tens now. So now I can take this and cross it out. And now I can move over to my ones. So I don't have enough ones to subtract 2. So what I need to do is I need to take one of my tens and break them down into some ones. So let's do that. I'm going to take this and change it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 ones. So now I can take this and cross it out and make 9. And I can change this into 10. So let's start by subtracting in our ones. I'm going to take 10 ones minus 2 ones. So I have our 10 ones, I'm going to subtract 2. 1, 2. And now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So now I'm taking 9 tens minus 8 tens. So let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 1 10 left. And now I have my 200 minus my 100, and I have 100 here. So when I read from left to right, my answer is 118 because I have 100, 110, and 8 ones. And we have just solved our problem.